Two brothers are on Trump's Supreme Court list, and he should pick one of them. When news broke that Supreme Court Justice Anthony Kennedy would soon be retiring, conservatives everywhere paused to thank God that Hillary Clinton did not win the presidency. Had Clinton's ill-fated presidential run been successful, she'd be appointing not one, but two justices to our nation's highest court. But she is not the president, and Trump is. This means we will be getting a Scalia instead of a Ginsberg, which could have huge implications for the future of abortion and gun rights in America. Trump's appointment of Gorsuch to the Supreme Court was met with widespread approval by Republicans, who were hoping for someone similar to Scalia to fill his shoes. Gorsuch has proven to be a staunch defender of the Constitution in recent Supreme Court cases, such as the Christian Baker case. The bar has been set high for whoever the next appointment will be, but there are two candidates in particular who stand out. Both have a proven track record of standing by our nation's founding document and would make excellent additions to the Supreme Court. From the Salt Lake Tribune. Senator Mike Lee and his brother, Thomas Lee, a Utah Supreme Court justice, are on the White House's short list of possible nominees to replace retiring U.S. Supreme Court Associate Justice Anthony Kennedy. President Donald Trump said Wednesday that he would begin immediately vetting possible candidates for the High Court and would stick to the list he provided during his campaign of 25 potential nominees. "It will be somebody from that list," Trump said. Senator Mike Lee has already expressed his enthusiasm should the president select him for the job. "I started watching Supreme Court arguments for fun when I was 10 years old," Lee told reporters this week. "So if somebody asked me if I would consider that, I would not say no. But the president's got a decision to make and I trust his ability to make it and make it well." Lee's brother Thomas is the Associate Chief Justice of the Utah Supreme Court, and was also the subject of a recent study to determine who on Trump's list would be the most similar to the late Justice Scalia. They determined that Thomas Lee had a 99.4% chance of being in the Scalia mold. But the Democrats aren't interested in anyone on Trump's list, and Senator Chuck Schumer demanded that the president wait until after the midterms are over before appointing a new justice. The Democrats still seem to think that they'll regain control of the Congress in November, despite their overwhelming losses at the polls in recent elections. Make no mistake, Trump will be appointing a conservative justice to the court, which will give Republicans the unprecedented chance to undo harmful legislation like Roe v.